where it says, when there's nothing in this world to, and I could not write it. I couldn't finish writing it. I mean, it just was not coming. A year later, my father died unexpectedly, for me, unexpectedly, and then it was right away. When there's nothing in this world to keep me anymore. And in this song, the word harmony is sung over and over, so a lot of people think that this song is called Harmony, but it's Keep Me Anymore, because that's the one I had to wait for. That was the gift. And I just lost. Why did I lose it? Because I had the tune wrong? That didn't really hurt. I can't believe it. I'm going to be in Hawaii tomorrow. You know? Nothing hurts when you know you're going to be in Honolulu by 9:30 tomorrow night. Let's see if this is... No. Okay. It's a beautiful song. It's got to be... It's got to be in the... Yeah.
In tune.
Singing in the spheres, yeah.
What? Oh, take two.
And thank you, Leo, for letting me use these guitars. So I got 3 guitars here. This is how I know I'm not on vacation. I don't have any of my guitars here. That means I don't have to check them in, worry about, are they going to touch, is TSA going to open my guitar and touch it? Which is like, makes me crazy. Do not touch my guitar. I mean, I'm so happy that I get to touch these guitars because they're all great.
Just a milk.
But, so I get to play with other people. Oh,
Light-ish.
I have whatever she's having. Because I know it's going to be good for my throat.
Is there caffeine involved? Sure.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I've been flying, and I've been trying to carry a heavy load, trying to find some peace of mind before I go. Oh, the angel's gonna come and take me just as soon as I can go. When there's nothing in this world to keep me anymore. Yeah. Come on. Mother, take me. Whoa, take me in your arms again. Let's do that again. Because I did something unexpected before that. We never did that before. So, take me in your arms again. I can hardly wait to fly and taste the wind when the angels come to sing their song. You know I like to sing along, sing in harmony. Go, sing in harmony. Sing in harmony. Singing harmony, yeah. Singing harmony. When the angels come to take me high, sing the song aloud, sing the song of love. When the angels come to take me high, sing the song aloud, sing the song of love. Sing the song of love. Sing in harmony. Yeah. Sing in harmony. Yeah. Mother, take me. Oh, take me in your arms again. I can hardly wait to fly and taste the wind when the angels come to sing their song. You know I like to sing along, sing in harmony, sing in harmony. Mother, take me home. Oh, mother, rock me, take me in your arms. Mother, rock me in your arms. Mother, hold me in your arms, rock me to sleep. Take me in your arms, mother, rock me in your arms. Mother, hold me in your arms, rock me, take me in your arms. Mother, rock me in your arms. Mother, hold me in your arms. Take me to harmony. You got a beginning and you got an end. What else do you need, huh?